So we have seen that how book 9 and 10 are very important. In 9, the act of disobedience takes place. In book 8, he gets a companion, Eve, and we see that book 10 is very important because the culmination of the plot of Paradise Lost takes place in this book. And we see that how they have destroyed everything, and how the redemption takes place, the redemption of mankind is going to take place. It has been foreshadowed in book 10. And what is important, the closing of the book with the prayer to God by Adam and Eve, because this is what is going to bring their reconciliation with God. In book 11, now we begin with book 11. We have seen that a prayer is going to reconcile them with God. This prayer is a prayer of forgiveness, and Adam and Eve are, God decides that now Adam and Eve cannot live in Garden of Eden, so they are sent out of the Garden of Eden. Who sends them out of the Garden of Eden? This is a very important question. Michael, on behalf of God, does that, and Michael is again a godly angel. So Satan के जो ambassadors हैं, sin and death, we saw that he commanded them in the previous book to go to earth, and now they are coexisting on earth. This was what his plan intended. We all know what another changes have we have seen the changes that were taking place right after the act of disobedience. For example, there was observance of nakedness, lust, shame, and loss of reason. These all things took place. What other things took place? Change of season. When they were living in Garden of Eden, before the act of disobedience, there was always spring. There was no change of season. But now the change of seasons have started to taken place, and there is violence, climatic violence, storm, hail, etc. So we can see that how the disobedience led the mankind to suffer or see all these changes. Okay, and we were already told in book 1 that Milton is going to justify God's ways to humankind. So why is what is happening, or the whys and whats are answered by Milton, because we know that he's a Puritan at heart and he's Catholic, so uh, he's going word by word what the Bible says. So let's talk about book 12 now. So this is the last book, and it is very important. The last books, actually every book is important, that's why we are discussing just the important points. But these are important because uh, we can say the theme of the poem is actually the last books are actually revolving around the important theme of the novel, or it has taken place in this novel. The act has taken place in these books. Book 12, it is the greatest, it has a message like the last books have. So it has a message that greatest heroes are those who suffer for truth. So now God is telling them, don't worry, it has happened, but there will be redemption. Son of God will come for that. He himself offers his name, and God is very happy that somebody has to take the responsibility of what these both have done. So he, Son of God, offers his name. God is very happy, and that's why they say that Christ is coming, and Jesus Christ comes, and there is redemption taking place, and there is second coming also. So in respect to that, it is said greatest heroes are those who suffer for truth. Obedience, love, and reason can lead to redemption. Don't worry, this has happened. But obedience, love, and reason can help you live a good life, and their knowledge and their hope thus stands as Milton's justification of God's ways to man. So, this is book 12, wherein there is a consolation, there is a resolution to the existing problem. Okay, thank you. These are 12 books that we have discussed. The important points, keep revising. The names, questions can be framed anyway.